Okay, I'm gonna try to make this quick. The reason why I'm making this video is I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube of the wind noise problem with the Tacomas. A lot of the videos are older, so I don't know if maybe you've already figured this out, but the noise is coming from here, from the doors. And when you're driving and you hear the noise, push on the window or push on the door, roll it down, pull it, and see if that's what the problem is. So the way you fix this is open your door, roll your window down, have somebody hold the door open, or one person get on the outside, one person get on the inside, and just push this towards you, this part of the door with your window down, and just bend it slightly to where when you shut your door it shuts a little tighter, and it's simple as that. So please post more videos, or let me know if I hope this helps you and fixes the problem. Thank you for watching this video.